Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to point your GoDaddy domain to your Hostinger web hosting using name servers. First, log in to your GoDaddy account. Click on sign in after filling your username and password. Let's continue to the account. Now go to this domain page. And below your domain name, click on Manage DNS. Then go to Name Servers. These are the current name servers, and you need to change them to the Hostinger name servers. Click on this Change Name Servers button. A new window pops up. Select I'll use my own name servers. And now you need to fill in your name servers, your Hostinger name servers. It's simple. Just Google Hostinger name servers, and here you will find the ones that you need to copy. Let's copy the first name servers. If you didn't find the Hostinger name servers on Google, just copy or just fill in these exact addresses, two addresses. After that, click on this save button. By clicking continue, you consent to updating the name servers. Yes, click on continue. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Mastering Hostinger Shared Hosting for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, website setup and management, and also domain management, email management, performance optimization, and account and billing management, and also account and security management. If you want to get access to all of this for free, plus my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Now let's continue this tutorial. As you can see, your request is in progress. It is known that changing the name servers of your domain takes some time to take effect. Sometimes it takes only 1 hour, and it can take up to 72 hours. So here you need to be patient, and to verify if your GoDaddy domain is started pointing to Hostinger or not yet. It's simple. Just give your GoDaddy domain a visit. If it's still not forward you to your website file on Hostinger, just wait. And to avoid seeing the cache, you can try visiting your GoDaddy domain name from another device and another internet connection. And this is how to point your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger using name servers. If you still have questions, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.